So an AI trend that I'm curious about, but I have not yet seen, is a lot around workload placement. That I think that in inferencing that there's going to be a variety of different, whether it's geography or chip type or just cost or whatever, that there's going to be choice in placement of where that AI inferencing job goes. And so I expect in 2027 we'll see that a lot, and we'll see how long it takes before that ramp up happens. There's a reshaping of the architecture that people are using to build applications. Every application is going to have artificial intelligence, and so there's a lot more architecture build outs to happen. And so I just think that having partners like 5C is what we need to do in order to make all that come together. I heard a story that just like we were doing a job and the wrong part showed up or something, and instead of saying that's not good enough or we'll come back later, it's like, well, let's figure out how to solve it together. Cable up this portion now, get it online, the next cables are coming the next day, and again, make it all sort of disappear so the customer just knows that everything's up and running. So that working with you guys is the kind of people that we are, that the kind of people we see in you makes it work.